Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to another video. So today I'm just going to show you how I draw my sorrel. I'm using 2 packs and this is 4 liters of water. So bring that to a boil, put that to boil, and I'm just gonna pour my sorrel in my colander and I'm gonna give it a quick rinse, like 1 second. So that's the sorrel and I'm going to rinse it off for 1 second. But before I do that, let's set that aside and I'm going to blend my ginger. So this is all the ginger I'm using. I love lots of ginger in my sorrel. I peel it, give it a rinse, and now I'm going to blend it up. Gorgeous. So this is it. Nice. Now let's put that aside and I'm going to pour the sorrel in my boiled water. And this is it, looking all gorgeous. So now I'm going to get my little spoon and just combine everything. So just press down the sorrel into the water and then we're going to cover it and leave it for 2 minutes. So and turn down the stove, by the way. So on low flame for 2 minutes. Do you see the color is already coming in? So yeah, cover it. And this is it after 2 minutes. Turn off the fire, by the way. So stove off. Now let's add the blended ginger and stir it up. So yeah, Vibes Sam, let's give it a stir, a mix up, and your kitchen is smelling amazing by this time. I mean, it's just all the Christmas smell. It smells so good. So stir it up and make sure, don't forget, turn off the fire, right? And we are going to cover it and leave this to draw for 2 days. 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. I mean, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, whichever one. I'm going to do two. And that is it, Vibes Sam. Thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the thumbs up button, please, and share. Thank you. God bless you.